Yes, Sandy. This is our backyard. And this is our backyard. We have tomato, and we have tomato there. We have that's tomato. That's tomato. That's tomato. Tomato here. And we have squash. We have pepper. And pepper. And we have tomato again. Tomato again. We have squash. Squash. And we have sunflower. Sunflower. Yeah, a lot of tomato. And yeah, that's our backyard. The other side we have peas here, flowers. We have pepper, bell pepper, a lot of bell pepper, and we have a lot of bell pepper, and we have tomato, we have pizza, and we have a lot of pepper and tomato. Yeah, and, pepper and tomato. So that's it. That's our backyard. So that's our deck. Yeah, just like sprinkling the water there. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. Our backyard. Yeah. So we have our deck here. Yeah, we have a chair, having fun. Then grass, mowing the grass. And yeah, good. Have a good day. Bye bye.